As a JAMB student, you must be familiar with this book, The Life Changer. The Life Changer has been the normal novel that is used for use of English. It's a very important book. But then there is a breaking news concerning another book that could be the recommended book by JAMB, the official book for your use of English in this coming JAMB. That is LEKKI Headmaster. LEKKI Headmaster by KARBIL ALABI GARBA. The news just broke and we are bringing it to you. Of course, I'm sure many of you have heard about it and you have not heard about it. The news just broke that there is a change in the recommended test for use of English in this coming JAMB. There is a shift from the Life Changer by Khadija Abubakar Jale to the LEKKI Headmaster by KARBIL Alabi Garba. I am bringing the news to you. Look at it. Ahead of the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Exam, that is UTME JAMB, the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board JAMB has announced a significant change in the examination reading test. The board has replaced the previous Life Changer test with LEKKI Headmaster, a novel by a Nigerian author. But then, I need you to remember something very important. At this moment, the news is still fresh. So there is no yet authenticity to it. We don't yet know for sure whether it is official. Of course, you know that we are still in the process of getting the JAMB profile code, getting the JAMB EPIN, and all other things. However, we are just bringing this news to you today to get you on the know as you keep preparing, as you are preparing, for you to know that there might be a change. Once the news becomes official, whether we are continuing with the Life Changer novel by Khadija Abubakar Jale, which has always been used. It was used in 2024. Whether we are continuing with this Life Changer, we'll come and announce it to you, or whether we are switching to the LEKKI Headmaster, it will also be announced to you. It's just for you to be on the know. Like I said, there is speculation that we will no longer be using the Life Changer. We'll be using LEKKI Headmaster. However, we are not sure yet. Once we are sure, here in Noble Tutorials, you will be the first. We'll be the first to break the news to you. Now, what you can do is go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now, Noble Tutorials. Now, when you subscribe, you will know when we release an update. And if you want us to send you past question, JAMB past question, we can send it to you free of charge. If you want us to send to you JAMB syllabus, we will send it to you free of charge. But then you must subscribe. And when you subscribe, you must come under this video and say, I have subscribed. Stay tuned as we keep bringing you updates on this novel issue.